Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here. Today I'm going to show you how to export your data from TikTok and then import it into Rednote. So this is going to be how to download your data from TikTok and then upload it into your new Rednote account. So go to your TikTok profile, and the first thing you need to do is click on the three little lines in the upper corner. Then you go to Settings and Privacy. From there, click on the top option, which is the account option. So touch that, and then you will go to download your data. It's toward the bottom. Click on that, and you can choose if you want to download all of your data. You can just click the request data button, or if you want the upload process to go faster on the other end, choose custom and then do profile and posts, because you really don't need your activity and messages. Now click on request data. What's going to happen here is they will process this and then email you when your data is available for download. Then you just click on this button. Right now it says cancel, but this will change, and you can then download your data. It'll save to your phone in a zip file, and then you will go to the next step, which I'll show you. All right, so here we are in the Rednote app. This is my profile view, the little U in the bottom right-hand corner. So once you get the Rednote app, it's very simple. Just enter in your phone number to create an account. They send you a text message. You verify that. Then you can edit your profile like I did here, but you may not need to do that if you're going to upload all of the TikTok information anyway. So in order to do that, you need to go to the three lines in the upper left corner. So click on that. Then you will go to this scan button in the bottom left corner. Once you open that, you're going to scan this QR code. That's going to take you to a TikTok transfer page where you can either open the TikTok app to download your data and export it like we showed you previously, or you click on this upload zip file. That's going to open up your phone's files, and wherever you saved your download is what you need to navigate to. So I have it here in the downloads folder. You might need to click on a different folder in order to find that zip file. But once you find it, all you need to do is touch it, and then you will see a progress bar. And you can see here, this is going to take a while. This is my entire data. So what I might do is redo this and just do the posts only. That's what I'd recommend. But this will probably take an hour or more to upload, depending on the server load when you upload it. And that is it. That is how you can transfer your TikTok data over to the new Rednote app and have all of your old posts and contents on the new Rednote profile. So if you have any questions or comments, please post them below. In addition, I hope you liked this video. If it was helpful for you, please send us a tip or consider hitting that like button, subscribe button, or bell icon to stay tuned to future videos. Until next time.